Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. If you're a fan of rich, flavorful Goan curries, then today's recipe is for you. This dish clearly showcases the vibrant taste of Goan cuisine. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe beginning with the marination of the chicken, selecting the spices and roasting it along with the onions, grinding it to perfection, and finally providing you the tips to prepare the perfect green curry. This is Goan cuisine at its finest. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan green chicken curry. So let's get cooking now. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 1 kg of chicken drumsticks and thighs. You can also use a full chicken which is cut into pieces. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Cover and keep aside for 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients required for frying and grinding. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind. Soak the tamarind in half cup or 120 ml of warm water. We have shown you how 1 cup of tightly packed coriander or cilantro leaves are taken. We have also included the coriander stalks. We have taken 2 cups of tightly packed coriander or cilantro leaves. Take 2 medium-sized onions and cut them into cubes. 4 to 6 medium-sized green chilies depending on how spicy they are. Cut them into small pieces. 1-inch piece of ginger, cut it into small pieces. 12 medium-sized garlic cloves, cut them into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1-inch stick of cinnamon. 8 cloves. 2 green cardamoms. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or couscous. This is optional, but adding it will help in thickening the gravy. Ingredients required for cooking. Take 1 medium-sized onion and cut it fine. 1 medium-sized tomato and cut it fine. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Frying the ingredients. On medium-low heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cubed onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 2 minutes, make a space in the center, add the garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. After a minute, add the ginger pieces. Stir it nicely. Now add the cumin or jeera seeds, black peppercorns and cloves, cinnamon sticks. Stir everything nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the green chili pieces. Stir everything properly. Once the onions are slightly golden brown, put the heat off. Add the poppy seeds or couscous. Add the green cardamoms. Stir everything nicely for a minute. Then set aside to cool. Step 4. Grinding the ingredients. Once the fried ingredients have cooled down, add them in a mixer grinder. Add the tamarind with water. Add the coriander or cilantro leaves. Grind to a smooth paste. If required, while grinding, add a little water. Our curry paste is ready. We used half cup or 120 ml of water to rinse the paste left in the mixer and saved it in a bowl. Step 5. Preparing the green chicken curry. On medium heat, In an open, thick-bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onion is slightly golden brown, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. Once the tomato has been fully mashed, add the chicken pieces. Try to bring the onion and tomato mixture from the bottom and place it on the top of the chicken pieces so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the chicken pieces to cook the other side. Cover and cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, add the rinsed water of the curry paste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Release any marinade that is stuck to the pan.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cover and cook for around 2 minutes. Now add the curry paste. Add the sugar. Mix everything nicely. Add the vinegar. If you do not prefer vinegar, you can replace it with lime juice. Mix everything properly. Then add half cup or 120 ml of water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add another half cup or 120 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After around 10 minutes, check for salt, sugar, vinegar and add if required. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Delicious green chicken curry is ready. Enjoy this green chicken curry with steamed rice or soft goan poi or bread. You can also serve it with regular bread or chapati. Do let us know in the comments how you liked this recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.